Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and welcome back. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video how to cut and sew this inseam side pocket, so keep watching. So guys, in order to fix this side pocket, I'll be taking a measurement starting from the shoulder point all the way to her waist point, which is 18 inches, and then I'm not fixing it exactly at 18 inches. I'll be moving down by 19 inches. So I've actually gone ahead to mark it down, and then what I'm going to do is that I will be notching it from there, where I'll actually start fixing the pocket. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll actually drag it over to this side, and then I'll also be inserting the same measurement from this side as well, from the shoulder line all the way to the 19 inches. I've already done that, and then I've already notched it as well. So guys, I've already gone ahead to cut these 4 pieces of fabric which I'll be using for the pockets. Okay, so I've actually gone ahead to cut the length of the pocket, which is about 9.5 inches, and this is actually depending on how deep you want the pocket to be. So mine is about 9.5 inches. The one I'm actually using here is 9.5 inches, and then the width is about 7 inches. So this 7 inches is that by the time I hold half an inch from both sides, I'll have the wideness to be 6 inches. You can make it 5 inches or 6 inches depending on your own preference. So for her own, I'm making use of 7 inches, half an inch from both sides, and then I'll have 6 inches, and then I went ahead to carve it at the side just a little bit. So as you can see in this video, the side is not actually straight. I just curve it a little bit. So I will actually go ahead and pick 2 of the pieces, and then I'll be placing it with the right side facing the right side of the gown. So as you can see in this video, starting from that place where I marked, and then the place that is curvy is facing up, not down. So I'll actually go ahead and use safety pin and then hold everything down. So when I'm done, I'll also be repeating the same process with this other side as well. I'll place the right sides facing each other with the curvy parts up. So I'll also go ahead and pin it down, and then I'll be repeating the same process with the other side as well. I'll be placing the right side facing each other, starting from the point where I actually notched from the 19 inches, and then the curvy part is facing upward, just the same way you see in this video. So when I'm actually done pinning it, what I'm going to do is that I'll take it to my sewing machine and then sew from there, and then I'll sew the downside and repeat the same process with this other side as well. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. I'm actually done sewing it from all the 4 sides that I actually pinned, and I did the same thing to this other side as well. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to be marking this with my chalk, so that I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it. So I already marked the measurement on the gown already, so from there I'm moving down by half an inch like I said earlier, and then I will just join it with the seam allowance that I already marked, and then I will do the same thing to the down part. I'll move up by half an inch, so following the seam allowance at the other side. I'll actually connect it all the way to the downside. I'll mark the seam allowance of the dress, and then I'll connect it to the pocket side where the pocket is actually going to stop, and I'll be repeating the same process with this other side as well. I'll move downward by the half an inch and then move outward with the sewing allowance, and I'll also be repeating the same thing at the downside as well. So when I'm done doing that, I'll just take it to my sewing machine and then sew everything. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. As you can see, there is a pocket space right there, and then I double stitch at the end so that the pocket will not actually loose, and I did the same thing to this other side as well. So the next thing I'm actually going to do is that I'm going to be sewing half an inch all the way around the pocket. So I'll start from there, and then I will sew half an inch all the way around the pocket. So I'll actually start sewing the 1/2 inch from where that seam allowance starts, and then sew it round to complete it to the downside. I will do the same thing to this other side as well. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. I'm done sewing it around the pocket from this side, and I also did the same thing to this other side of the pocket as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and then turn it inside out, and then show you guys how it's actually looking from the good side. So this is how it's looking. The pocket is inside. It's not even really that visible from the outside. Okay, so this is how the whole thing actually looks like from both sides. So guys, you see how the pockets actually turn out to be. It's really not even showing. It's from inside, and it's really neat as well. So the only thing that is left for me to complete the dress, and then I'll iron the side so that it will lie down more flat and it will look more neater. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also share it to anyone you know this video is going to be of help to. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.